Let's make chicken Alfredo pasta. Hello, my shiny family! I'm Raka. Welcome to our kitchen. Let's make delicious pasta together. First of all, I have to comb my hair because I don't like hair in my food. Okay, it's done. I left this hair out because if it's not visible, I will look like Cherry Stick. So, yeah. Guys, I really need a microphone, but I don't have money to buy it, so I'm sorry about the voice quality if it's bad or anything like that. I'm sorry about it. What do we need? Chicken breast, milk, penne pasta, mushrooms, cream, and the basic things like oil, butter, onion, garlic, salt, and parsley. But this one is a matter of taste and you can choose not to use it if you don't like it. You can also use lemon juice, but I don't like it in this dish, so I don't add it in my pasta. You can use Parmesan cheese powder when serving. It's better to chop the onion tiny so that the onion pieces are not visible in the food. After cutting garlic and onion, we need to move on to the chicken breast. Cut the chicken breast into cute pieces. One thing you should pay attention to is that the chicken piece... One thing you should pay attention to is that the chicken pieces are the same size, because when frying, smaller pieces cook faster and bigger pieces remain raw. Now we need to put the onions in the pan so they can cook slowly while we chop the mushrooms. Put the butter in the pan and let it melt. Add a little bit of oil and let the oil heat up. Reduce the gas heat. Okay, and let's start chopping the mushrooms. Boil pasta in salted boiling water, but do not add oil to the boiling water because the sauce needs to mix well with the pasta and oil will prevent this. And now it's Alfredo sauce time. Combine the milk and cream until smooth, then add to the chicken and mushrooms. If you have fresh parsley, you can sprinkle it over the pasta when serving, but I have dried parsley, so I add it to the pasta to make it a little... I added to the sauce to make it a little smoother. And finally, add the Parmesan cheese powder. And it's done! Your delicious meal is ready. If you make it, be sure to take a picture of it and send it to me on my Instagram direct. I would be so happy. If you would like to make the dish together again, let me know in the comments so we can make it together. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I love you so much. Take care of yourself until the next videos and I see you again.